Hello everyone, I am Nita Bhanchandra Dhore, student from Brisang Training Consistency of Dhanpuri. Today I will share video on technical topic is the nervous system. The nervous system is control and coordinate functions throughout the body and responds to the internal and external stimuli, which are the transfer the impulses from the one cell to the another cell. These are the smooth and efficient message carried from the one cell to the another cell. These are divided into the three types: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and intermediate neurons. Sensory neurons, uh, which are which are carry impulses from the sense organs like brain and spinal cord, and motor neurons, which are carries the impulses from the brain and spinal cord and transmit the impulse to the whole body part, and intermediate neurons, which are the function to the both neurons, sensory neurons and motor neurons. Human nervous systems are divided into the two types: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, in which the parts are the brain and spinal cord, brain and spinal cords, and peripheral nervous system, which are the parts are the spinal nerves, cranial nerves, etc. The peripheral nervous systems, which are again divided into the two parts: autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system, which are the responsible for the involuntary action like digestion, breathing, blood pressure, etc. And somatic nervous system, which are responsible for the voluntary action like skeletal muscles. And next to the autonomic nervous system, which are divided into the two parts: parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for the parasympathetic nervous system, which are responsible for the rest and digest action, and sympathetic nervous system, which are the responsible for the alert and active. Next to the part of the central nervous system. Central nervous system, in which the brain and spinal cord. Brain, in which the part are cerebellum, brainstem, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the first part of the human brain. These are the largest part surrounded by the brain, and in which the present are the two hemisphere, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Left hemisphere is the control the action of right hemisphere, and right hemisphere, which are the control the action of left hemisphere. Left hemisphere, which are the responsible for the speech, responsible for the speech, and right hemisphere, which are responsible for the sphincter action. And next to the cerebellum. These are the next portions of the human brain. These are the responsible for the voluntary action. They are responsible for the voluntary action, and which are maintain the balance of the water and fluid. Next to the brainstem. Brainstem, in which the part of the midbrain and medulla oblongata, which are responsible for the involuntary action like heart rate, breathing, digestion, etc. And next to the thalamus, which are the impulses inputs are the coding and decoding language are the stored, and which are the responsible for the deconjunctions and alertness of the brain. And next of the hypothalamus which are the maintain the homeostatic balance, means the internal environment and outer external environment are which are the maintain. These are the responsible for temperature regulation and water and fluid balance. And next to the cerebrospinal fluid, the cerebrospinal fluid which are the present in the brain and spinal cord, which are provide the cushion like structure to the brain, and which are the protection to the outer environment, which are protection to the outer environment. And next to the peripheral nervous system, which are the not part of the brain. These are the outsides of the central nervous system, and which are responsible for the involuntary actions of the brain. And these are divided into the three parts: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and intermediate neurons, and which are present in the spinal nerves and cranial nerves. Spinal nerves are the 12 pairs, and cranial nerves are the 31 pairs, which are divided into the five regions, thoracic region, lumbar region, cervical region, coccygeal region, and cranium region. And these are the all information about the human nervous system. Thank you so much.